Hello! This is a surprise for you. You are going to listen to your story in English. Let's go. In São Paulo, there was a small town named Cinzépolis. Daddy Sérgio, Mami Joana, and their two kids, João and Clara, have been living there since 1990. They lived in the countryside, selling milk and eggs. This family worked so hard that they didn't have time to enjoy life and have fun. They couldn't see the colors of the road. Everything was black and white. The kids have no free time to play and relax. They went to school in the morning and in the afternoon they helped their parents on the farm. They were selling more eggs and more milk. So Daddy Sérgio and Mami Joana decided to find someone to help. On the same day, they met Sérgio, a very happy man. Sérgio was from a city named Arco-Íris, and he was looking for a job and a place to live. Sérgio needed someone to help, so he decided to give José the job and a place to live. José always sees the world with many colors. He could see happiness and joy in everything, and he was always grateful for the things he has. This man decided to help this family how to see the world with different colors, not only black and white. José started to show the beautiful things of each day and how to observe around. Early in the morning, José was smiling and saying nice words. In a kind way, he said, "Good morning." The kids answered, "Good morning," and everybody had a warm smile to each other. During breakfast, José told the family that they had to say thanks for the food and for being together. During these days, José showed the family the importance and the beauty of all the colors around the farm, the animals, and the nature. Sérgio and Joana learned to observe the colors they have never seen before and have fun together. After lunch, the kids helped the work and it was a different and cool day. They were laughing and having so much fun. After a week with José, Sérgio and Joana were thankful for the happiness of living in family. João and Clara held the man to say thanks for everything. So they had a brilliant idea to change the name of the town to Mundo Multicolorido because they started to see the world differently with colors and beauty everywhere. This is the end. Bye bye.